Hello traders, my name is Yaroslav Burchenko, Chief Market Analyst at olymptrade.com, and I welcome you to today's Psychology of Trading video. We are going to be discussing the attitude of a winner. It is the principle upon which all Olympic gold medalists function, and it is the principle that will help you to get out of the swamp of never-ending losses. So without further ado, let's get started. So the winner approach basically is always keeping a winning attitude. This is a must-have for traders in the financial markets. If you're not able to cope with failure, you will never be able to achieve success because in the financial markets, you are so often presented with losing trades. So if you're not okay with losing a lot, then probably this is not the profession for you. But if you are able to find that mental strength, that willpower to succeed and to go on, you will probably make it. Now, I do have to say that one of the better tools that I have used in the past to help me get over failure is a trading journal. It is important for many factors, but the psychological factor that we're discussing today is that it helps you to remember your winners. When you go through your journal and you actively rehearse your winning trades, you will remember that A, your strategy works, B, that you are a good trader and you have done this before. You have gotten out of a swamp of negative trades before. And so a journal is a very important part of your trading career. And think about it. I mean, if you had a coffee shop business, wouldn't you write down every shipment of coffee, how many cups you used throughout the day so that you can order more? All of those little fine details are important, and in trading, ever so much more. So keep writing about your business. Also, it's important to reflect on the positive experiences that you've had in trading. So besides drawing about or writing about all of your losses, it's important to document your winning trades as well. What was your psychology like? What was the market like when you entered the trade? What was the technical picture like? Was there a fundamental catalyst that drove you to take on this trade? If you don't believe in yourself and your accomplishments, the mistakes you make will crush you. And when you do have good fortune, you're probably way too likely to take it upon your ego that, oh, you're so brilliant, you're so smart, you can't never make a losing trade. That's just not the case. So try to keep a balanced frame of mind. Don't let your negative trades affect you. Go home to your family, enjoy yourself, enjoy your life, and then come back to trading with a clean sheet, with a mind state of a winner that today you will make it. Today, everything will be fine and that you will be a consistently profitable trader. Every failure you make should not be blamed on circumstance. Remember, you are responsible for each trade you take. And I just want to talk about the importance of losing. If you were to only make winning trades, then I guess it's a bad example because then you would be a rich person, but you would learn nothing, right? As a human being, our psychology is whenever we feel the pain of loss, only then do we work overtime inside of ourselves, in our emotions, in our minds, in order to find a way to win next time. So use that. Use every losing trade. Magnify its relevance to you as a trader, as a person, and try to take as much information out of that situation as you can. I hope this information helps you guys with your trading, that you increase your profits and decrease your losses. My name is Yaroslav Burchenko, and together with Olymp Trade, we wish you good luck trading out there. Make sure to leave us a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to find more great information. See you guys next time. Peace!